Hello friends, welcome back to your channel Touch to Technology. Today I am going to show how to restore Active Directory from Windows backup by using Directory Services Restore Mode DSRM. So friends, in my previous video we have taken backup and restore the backup on Windows Server 2022. You may check out from my playlist and also you can watch it. So I am going to our workstation to start this demonstration. So friend, now I am in our workstation. Here is our Active Directory 2022. So quickly I just show you how to take the backup. So I am just click on server management. So then you can click on tools. Here is the option Windows Server Backup. Click on that. So friend, you can see the right side of the window. Here is the option backup scheduling, backup once, recovery. So I am click on second option, backup once. So here is two option, create a backup. Now using scheduled backup option or different option. So in this demonstration I am click on second option, different options. So click on next. So friends, here is the type of configuration. I am not taking the full backup. So I am just click on the custom. So click on next. So in this window you can click on add items. So here is the multiple option, bare metal recovery, system state, and file system partition, C drive, D drive. So I am just click on the system state. Okay, so click on OK, click on next. So friend, here is showing choose the type of storage from the backup. So friend, you need to one local drive like D drive, E drive, whatever your drive, but local drive is required. Either you can store that backup to your remote server or remote folder. Okay, so I am just taking D drive for this demonstration. So see, I am taking the D drive. So there is no data here. So I am just back to our backup window. So in this wizard, I am just click on local drives, click on next. So he is automatically selecting the D drive. So if you have multiple drive, now you can click on drop down. So I am just click on the D drive, click on next. Okay, click on backup. So here is see friends, here is selecting one option, a system state backup item, only one. So I am click on backup. It will take few minutes. So he's trying to calculate the backup data size. So friend, backup process is completed. So click on close. So see friend, we have one backup. So I'm just trying to recover. Click on recovery. So before I start the recovery, I just show you. So friends, I'm going to our server manager, click on tools. So after that, I am just click on Active Directory users and computers. So friend, here is my lab, and under this lab we have three computers and three users. So I am going to delete this all users and computer. Okay, yes. So just you assume in case you are deleting your objects by a mistake or accidentally. So in this demonstration to show how you recover your Active Directory objects. So I'm going back to our backup wizard. So we have one copy of the backup. So I'm click on recovery. So we can select the first option, this server, our Active Directory server. Click on next. So we have one copy. So here is selecting. Click on the next. So here is the option, what you want to recover. So I want to recover the system state. So click on next. So original location. Okay, click on the preferred and authoritative restore of Active Directory files. Click on next. But friend, here is showing warning. So first of all, you need to select the DSRM mode. So directory services restore mode. So okay. So friends, I'm just click and close this window. Okay. Everything you can close. Okay. So friend, we have already deleting the our objects. So I just show you Active Directory users and computer. In my lab, there is no computers and users. Okay. So friend, you can open the run and type msconfig. Okay. Press enter. So friend, here is option boot. So click on boot and click on boot option safe mode. And after that you can click the Active Directory repair mode. Click on OK. Okay. So friend, here is showing uh, you need to restart the computer to apply these changes. Before restarting, save all the open file and close all the program. So we have already closed all the programs. So I am just click on the restart button. Okay. So friends, we are waiting for comes up this computer. Okay friends, I just unlock this computer. Okay. So friend, you are not able to log in by using the domain credential. So I just show you. See, here is showing some error. Okay. So I am just selecting the other user. I am using local user because we are logging with safe mode. So in this mode, the Active Directory services and DNS services, some services are not working. That's why you are not able to log in this machine. See friend. Sir. So friend, so in this window is showing safe mode in the top of the screen. Okay. Left and right, both side. Okay. And you can also see few services are not running. So Active Directory services is stopped, DFS replication is stopped, DNS is stopped. Okay, so don't worry because we are logging with the safe mode only. Okay, so I'm just trying to recover the our Active Directory objects. So I'm click on the tools. After that you can click on the Windows Server backup. Okay, because we have only one copy showing one copy. Okay, so I'm just click on that local backup. Okay, so I'm just trying to recover our objects. So I'm click on the recovery. Okay, this computer, this server AD2022. So this PC is our Active Directory PC. So I'm click on next. Okay, so we have taken one backup. So he is showing one backup only. So no issue. I am just click on next. Don't worry friend, our D drive is not showing. So I am just trying to online this partition. Okay, just click on online. Okay, generally is not showing, generally that warning is not comes, but no issue. Is showing D drive is not showing here. So that's why he's showing the warning. So I am checking the okay, D drive is there. So I am click on next. Okay, again. Okay, so close this window and try again. So friends, we have only one copy. I am just trying to recover our Active Directory objects. So I am click on the recovery. Okay, so here is showing this server. This is our Active Directory PC AD2022. So I am click on next. So see friend, we have only one copy. So I am just selecting on this. Okay, click on next. So here is showing what do you want to recover. So I want to recover our system state Active Directory. Okay, so I am click on this, click on next. So here is showing Active Directory backup location. So I am selecting the original location, and also I am click on the preferred and authoritative restore of our Active Directory files. Okay, click on next. Okay, here is showing the warning. This recovery option caused all the replicated content on the local server to re-synchronized after recovery. So this may cause to potential latency or outage issue. So don't worry, I just click on OK. Okay. So friend, here is showing. So I am just clicking on the recovery option. Okay. So again is showing the warning. So here is showing the, in case you are clicking yes, that means the system state recovery cannot be paused or cancelled once it too has started. It will need to restart of the server to complete the recovery option. So do you want to continue? Yes, I want to continue. So click on yes. Okay, so it will take few minutes to finalize this recovery process. So I am just show you step by step. So friend, I just show you all the steps without any cuts. So be online and see the screen. Here is the showing system start recovery process, and he is calculating the our data transfer. Okay, see, he is also still is calculating. So once he is calculate the file, or after that he is starting the recovery process. So friend, he is starting the recovery process. He is showing 3%, 6%, 7% completions. So it will take another minutes to finalize this recovery process. So friend, so backup process is completed. So friends, before you can click on restart, you just change your boot configuration mode. So I am just click on run msconfig. Okay, again you can click on the boot and change the safe mode option. Okay, so you just uncheck on the boot option, click on okay. Okay, and click on the, so you also click on restart. Either you can click here this window to restart. So I'm just click on the restart. So friend, I just unlock this machine. Okay, so you can use your domain credential. Okay, here is showing the system state recovery option that is started. Okay, this has been successfully completed. Press enter to continue. I just click on enter. So I just verify. So I'm click on start server manager. Okay, so click on tools. After that you can click Active Directory users and computer. So friend, we have deleted our computers and users from the My Lab. So after the recovery, all the objects are comes. Okay. Okay friends, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like all the videos and please subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for new updates.